Okay, this is your little boy. He is low to the ground. He's built like sort of like a lab and a basset mix. Loves to sniff around. Got a nose for sure. Likes to pee on things. Look at the cool stuff. Let's get a little look at your cute little face. Huh? There's your cute little face. Well, you're kind of hard to see, aren't you? Come here, Basset. Come here, Basset. Come here, little fella. What you doing, huh? What you gonna do? You gonna jump off? Yeah, you are. You like people, don't you? You like people, don't you? He's just wagging all the time. He's a nice little fella. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ha, 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 ha. What you think? What you think? What you think, huh? Can you look at me? Can you look at me, huh? Can you look at me? Come here. Can we sit? Can we sit? Yeah, you're a cute little fella. Just wagging away the entire time. Always wagging. Always wagging.